Good morning, students. Let's start our new chapter, that is bank reconciliation statement. This is our chapter number 15, bank reconciliation statement. Now, what is the meaning of bank reconciliation statement? A bank reconciliation statement is a schedule explaining any difference between the balance shown in the bank statement and balance shown in the bank column of cash book. Means bank reconciliation statement is a statement mainly prepared to reconcile, or we can say to match, the difference between bank balance shown by cash book and the bank passbook. What is passbook? Passbook shows our banking transaction, means what we have deposit in our bank account and what is the withdrawn amount is shown by the bank statement or by bank passbook. So bank reconciliation statement means we have to match the balance of our bank column of cash book with the bank statement of our account. Clear? Now, the purpose of bank reconciliation statement. First, it shows the actual bank balance position, detect mistake in the cash book or passbook, prevent frauds in recording banking transaction, explain any delay in the collection of checks. It identify valid transaction recorded by one party but not by the other. So there are so many reasons by which our cash book is not matched with the passbook. So what we do in bank reconciliation statement? In bank reconciliation statement, we match the balance of our cash book with the bank statement. Now, what is cash book and bank statement? Cash book we have already done. Cash book record all the transaction related to the cash and bank. And bank statement is a summary of customer's account with the bank. Now, see, this is the format of cash book. Means debit side of cash book represent an increase and the credit side of cash book shows decrease. You all are aware with this? Means the debit side of cash book means increase in the balance of cash or bank, and the credit side of cash book means decrease in the balance of cash or bank. Debit side is also known as receipt side and credit side is known as payment side. Clear? Now see bank statement. This is a bank statement format. Debit side shows decrease and credit side represent increase and balance in the customer's account. Clear? Bank statement is reverse of our cash book. Its debit side shows decrease in bank balance and its credit side shows increase in bank balance. Means if we have deposited 5,000 in our bank account, then it will be recorded by the bank on the credit side. And if we withdraw 2,000 from our bank account, then it will show on the debit side. Clear? So first of all, you have to be very clear with this, that there is a reverse in bank statement and our cash book. Cash book debit side means increase side and bank statement debit side means decrease side. Cash book credit side, payment side, minus side, and bank statement credit side shows increase in our bank account. So we have to match our cash book bank balance with the bank statement to see if there is any difference between these two statements, means between our cash book and bank statement, then we have to reconcile these. One more important thing, that we have to change our cash book according to the bank statement. Means if there is any plus in our bank statement, then we have to add same balance in our cash book, means in our bank balance of cash book. Clear? Now you can see over here bank reconciliation statement. When we need to make bank reconciliation statement when our cash and passbook balance does not match, then we prepare bank reconciliation statement. See, balancing of cash book and passbook. In our accounting, we maintain cash book. In cash book, we have to see the bank column, means we have to see cash in bank balance. And from bank point of view, bank issues bank statement, and in bank statement we have to see our bank balance. Both should be same. Then there is a balancing of cash book and passbook, means if both are same, then there is no mistake, our cash book and passbook is balanced. But if the bank balance according to our cash book is not matched with the bank statement, then there is a difference between cash book and passbook, and we have to rectify this difference with the bank reconciliation statement. Clear? You can see over here, this is the balance according to cash book and this is the balance according to bank statement. There is a difference between cash book and bank statement, then this difference can be tallied, can be matched by making bank reconciliation statement. Clear? So today you are going to learn the meaning of bank reconciliation statement and why there is a need to prepare bank reconciliation statement, means you have to learn the meaning and importance of bank reconciliation statement. Tomorrow we will start its practical portion.